Hello everyone. Today we'll be having a session on digital marketing. But before proceeding, we would like to clear some of the doubts which differentiates digital marketing from traditional marketing. When we speak of traditional marketing, it is a marketing that has been done 1:1, where a person goes and directly sells a product to a particular person. The other type of marketing is 1:M, or 1 is to a particular group, where a person is selling a product to a particular group. The other one is when a person is addressing to a mass public. For example, previously 100 years back, if we go, whatever the announcement was done with the help of radio, which was considered to be one of the marketing medium that was being used for publishing news or any sort of contents within the country or the continent. Now, with the help of internet, we are able to do the same task, and we call it as digital marketing, where we use it as a tool for the promotion of the product and where we can reach the masses. In case of digital marketing, first we should understand what is social media. Social media are a media for social interaction using highly accessible, scalable publishing techniques. Publishing techniques are nothing but the blogs, what we write either on Twitter, Facebook, Orkut, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. And there are n number of more sites which allows us to write the blogs. A business is also referred to social medium as user generated content or consumer generated media. Let's consider an example of a social media site where the companies like Tata, Infosys, Mahindra are promoting their products, and they are asking users to write down their review for the particular products, where there is a direct interaction which takes place between the company and the customer, who is the end user. In other terms, if you say, customer is nothing but the consumer who will be using the product and writing his review for the product. Hence, social media plays an important role in such cases. There are different types of classifications of social media, which includes writing in magazines, using different internet forums where we can publish, for example LinkedIn, where we can post job posting, or the different development that has been taken place throughout the globes, writing web blogs, social blogs on Twitter, which are mainly used for creating a social awareness within the nation and the continent or throughout the world also. Then there is something called as microblogging. Wikis, we use social network like Facebook, Google Plus, Orkut to write comments on the timeline of our friends. Podcast, we can post photographs or pictures, give them a rating and give them something like whether it has been liked by the public or whether it has been unliked by the public and where we should change it. Then social bookmarking and mobile social media. When we say social marketing, social network comes into a picture. A social network is a dedicated website or other application that enables user to communicate with each other by posting information, comments, messages, image, etc. Let's consider a social networking site like Facebook, where a user or the consumer, in marketing terms if we say, are able to judge a particular product, write down the pros and cons of the particular product, and in general create an awareness for the other people who are going to buy the product. Now this was related to product. In case of creating a social awareness also, the blogs or the comments written on the taglines are important because these comments are being seen globally. The images posted are being seen globally, or the videos which are being posted are again seen globally, and the medium which we have for posting of video is youtube.com, where the video gets published globally and people write their comment on the same. So it is a medium, a social network is a medium where you reach n number of people via a small medium, via a internet. Many professional companies are using social networks so that they could reach to their consumers. They can see what exactly the consumer wants the product to be, and they can create a customer or consumer awareness. The facts which we would like to share about social media networking sites are more popular than writing email, blogs, and forums. The content capacity is much more than a file sharing a website. Account for 10% of the time spent on the internet. There was a research done across the globe, and it was being found that 10% of the time is being used by an individual to spend on internet, checking his blogs, writing some timelines, commenting on the pictures, seeing YouTube video, and a maximum usage of the social media sites. There are some social media sites like Facebook, Google+, MySpace.com, LinkedIn.com, Twitter. Now let's start with Facebook. It was a site which was being launched in the year 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. When this person had launched this site, there was only one thing which came into his mind, was he wanted to connect people. That was not only connection, but he wanted the people to interact with each other, and the connection should be an emotional connection. The mission of Mark Zuckerberg said that to connect people on an innovative platform that fosters increasing interaction, it should have an emotional connection where people actually share their feelings, their happiness, their sorrows, and other people are able to write taglines on or timelines in case of Facebook's. The vision what Mark had was to provide users with value beyond interaction. They should look to Facebook to find answers to questions like which car should I buy? All this based on the power of social recommendation, because over here the recommendation are being given by the people who are actually using that car, or they are aware of the pros and cons of the car. According to the survey done, the worldwide Facebook users as per country standards is United States is ranking first, then is Brazil on the second rank, then comes India, then Indonesia, Mexico, United Kingdom, Turkey, Philippines, France, Germany, Italy. When we bifurcate it as per continent, Asia ranks on the top, then comes Europe with 30.19%, then comes North America, South America, Africa, and Oceania.